how to replace starter on 2003 Toyota Camry with 4 cylinders engine. On this particular model, the starter is located on the right side of the engine, right next to the battery. First, you'll have to take out the battery, and to do that you'll need 10mm wrench or socket. Next, remove the plastic tray underneath the battery. Now we're going to remove 2 bolts from the engine air filter assembly. And again, we're going to use the same 10mm socket to do that. Take out and inspect the air filter. It might be a good idea to replace it now, if you haven't done that in a while. Next, remove 3 10mm bolts on the bottom of the filter housing. Deattach the wires in the back and then take out the bottom piece of the filter housing. Remove the filter housing bracket held in place by 2 10mm bolts. Next, you'll need to take out the air intake duct. Press the plastic tab to remove the electric connector from the starter. Remove 12mm nut to disconnect the starter solenoid wiring. And finally, remove 2 14mm bolts holding the starter in place. Now you should be able to easily remove the old starter. Before installing the new starter, make sure it's matching perfectly with your old one. Install the new starter and complete the rest of the steps in the reverse order. Also, if you need help finding the correct replacement part numbers, check the links in the description area below this video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.